about a topic that's not often discussed but affects millions of men worldwide: erectile dysfunction. The good news is that certain foods can help resolve it naturally, and today we're going to dive into the specifics. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is a condition where a man has trouble getting or maintaining an erection. It's a common issue that affects not only the physical aspect of a relationship, but also the emotional and psychological well-being of the partners. The causes of ED can be complex, ranging from physical factors like diabetes and high blood pressure to psychological factors like stress and anxiety. ED can lead to feelings of inadequacy, low self-esteem, and even depression. It's not just about physical act intimacy, it's about the emotional connection and intimacy that comes with it. ED can put a significant strain on relationships, leading to feelings of frustration, resentment, and guilt. It's not uncommon for partners to feel like they are not good enough, but that they are the cause of the problem. The emotional toll of ED can be overwhelming, and it's essential to address it in a sensitive and compassionate manner. The effects of ED can be far-reaching, affecting not only relationships but also a man's sense of identity and self-worth. It's essential to recognize that ED is not a reflection of a man's masculinity or virility. It's a health issue that requires attention, care, and understanding. By addressing ED, men can regain their confidence, improve their relationships, and enhance their overall well-being. Foods play a significant role in overall health. When it comes to ED, certain foods can be incredibly beneficial. Foods that are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can help improve blood flow, boost testosterone levels, and enhance overall sexual function. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains are packed with nutrients that can help alleviate ED symptoms. For instance, foods high in vitamin C, like citrus fruits and berries, can improve blood vessel function, while foods rich in vitamin D, like fatty fish and fortified dairy noodles, can also boost testosterone levels. One of the key foods that can help with ED is leafy green vegetables, like spinach and kale. These veggies are rich in nitrates, which can help improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Other foods like beets, garlic, and onions are also rich in nitrates as well, and they can have similar effects. Foods that are high in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and walnuts can reduce inflammation and improve heart health, both of which are essential for erectile function. Some standard foods that have shown significant benefits for ED include pomegranates, which are rich in antioxidants and improve blood flow, dark chocolate, which contains flavonoids that can improve blood vessel function, and pumpkin seeds, which are rich in zinc, a mineral that is essential for sexual health. These foods are not only delicious, but also they are packed with nutrients that can help alleviate ED symptoms. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can make a significant difference in your overall sexual health. By making simple dietary changes, you can improve your erectile function, boost your confidence, and enhance your relationships. Remember, it's not just about the foods you eat, it's about making a commitment to your overall health and well-being. Thank you guys for tuning in, and don't forget to share your experiences with ED, and how dietary changes have helped you in the comment section of this video. If you are looking for more information on sexual health or wellness, check out our videos that we have on the channel. Also, you can subscribe so you don't miss out when a video like this is posted. Thank you.